He's not got much energy, does he? He really, he goes in like short bursts. Oh, what's going on, Batman? Batman, what are you doing? I was wrong. He's got loads of energy left.
Killer Croc with you what, mate?
Oh god, we dipped a toe in. This is a terrible camera angle.
Oh man!
What if I have to turn? Ah!
Oh, keep running.
Will be your tomb.
Ah, come on! Oh, who closed that gate? What the fuck?
I will find him.
Where is she?